Pacifier. Today I want to go over the Picket system that we use here. And we've already set the pickets in the ground. These are 1-inch steel. We determine our angle that we're going to set them down in by looking at what we're pulling, putting everything in line with our pull. We put the picket at our heel, lean it forward until we're looking over our toe, and that should be about the angle we drive in at. They will change angles if you hit rocks. You can see this one's not quite perfect, but it's in there deep. How far away do we set our pickets? 1 picket length. Continue our pickets, make sure our angle's set, and build a 3-picket system. Different from what we used to do is the strapping system we're going to use now. It only varies in one item, one more strap. Normally our first strap we would put from top to bottom, but this strap is now going to go on the bottom. I'm going to demonstrate. We're going to put a clove hitch in the center of the strap. Drop it over our post and tighten. For our next post, do a round turn with each strap. Tighten that up a little bit. To our end. A round turn on it. And then we're going to do an overhand knot with a bite. Form us a loop. That's our webbing through the loop. Pull up some tension on your system. Doesn't have to be very tight, just tension sweat. Throwing a couple of half hitches right here. That helps maintain some of our tension. This is new to us here at Pacifier, and I'll show you why we do it here in a moment. I have to come here with right first. This is our normal tie system that we do. Start with a clove hitch or a round turn and 2 half hitches up here. Really not that critical. Wraps down to your bottom picket like we do before, but capture the webbing on the bottom. And this continues until you're out of webbing, or you run up a little bit short flap up there. I'll just tie it off down here. Once again, you can use a clove hitch or a round turn and 2 half hitches. So Gary's got his done here. We've got ours here. We're going to put in our windlasses to tension these systems. Just drop it down right between your straps. Move it halfway. Start to spin watching your picket. As soon as we see that picket moving, coming toward us already, I back it off half a turn. Actually, my point's going to be at the wrong end. Back it off half a turn and set the windlass. Alright, we'll do the same thing to this one. We're looking at our post. We start to spin. We see it pull our post forward, we back off. And we drive this one in. Our intent with these is just to hold the tension here. Now you can see our system looks, it resembles the previous one except for the bottom strap. And now we'll take our anchor strap, whatever we're going to use to pull from, and we want to capture this strap, so we pass it through the strap and then to our direction of pull. Now what this system does is when our pull starts, this bottom line will tension all the way to the back. So all three pickets are involved in our pull right from the start. Normally we would require this picket to pull forward to put tension on the second picket, and it would require the second picket to pull forward to put tension to the third picket. With the lower strap, we're going to start supplying or distributing tension from the very beginning. Also, if this picket, could you stand that one up, Gary? If this first picket didn't have this lower strap, and our anchor strap was simply around the picket itself and not captured here, if for some reason this picket was to fail, either soft soil, not deep enough, or at the wrong angle, we completely lose our system. Over the edge it goes. But by capturing this strap, if this picket fails, we're still held in place by our webbing to the next set of pickets. This is what I like to use in Pasco from now on. I hope you all practice it. If you have any questions, let me know.